Alright guys, what's going on? It's Chris here, or Hurricane Films again. And we're going to a car meet real quick, and then yeah, we're gonna go to like Wendy's, get some donuts maybe, and just chill and have a good time and look at some nice cars. Even though there's no like exotic cars that I like, there's still like sometimes the R34s show up like crazy ass cars. So let's go.
I have a bigger ass than her. Look, look, just look.
I saw this girl that's fine as fuck, and then she gets out of the car and she's like, nah. Oh fuck, my eyes are blacking out. Oh no. Why does this happen to me so much? Who else's eyes black out when you stand up, or like, I don't know, it just blacks out and I can't see shit. Alright, later, daughter. Alright guys, I'm here to buy a jacket with daughter.
You got a jacket in here.
Damn, I should've. Alright, I got a jacket from Tilly's right now, and then I'm gonna go maybe eat something and go to the car meet real quick. That's so trippy, dude. Just get out. That's trippy as fuck. Hey! Look at these feminists. Feminists are taking over. Oh, she's coming from. Hey, she's coming. We'll meet you at the car meet. Let's go. Alright, go. Go, go, go. Row your boat. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Row your boat gently down the stream.
This way.
Wow. That guy's cool. Holy shit. Is that a Lambo?
Piece of shit.
What the fuck did you say?
It's a piece of shit.
Okay, get out of here. Damn, how clear is this? Jesus Christ. If you need a camera, Canon G7X Mark II. Damn.
You should just give it away.
I should. Alright guys, we're gonna do a fake giveaway. If this gets 1 million likes, I'm gonna give away this camera.
Fake giveaway.
Alright, so pretty much we're super early. I think like an hour early or something like that. There's no set time, they just roll in whenever. So I'm trying to tell Todd it's on Thursday, but he's like, it's today, so we'll see if they show up or not. So it is today, and cars.
I told you, bitch. I told you.
Shut up, dude.
I told them.
Todd is horny for these blue.
Fuck you.
He's horny for these these red lights over here. Todd is so happy right now. Alright guys, I'm gonna make this into a quick edit for you guys. So it's gonna start right. Wait, now. killing the RuneScape game lately. Level 99 already, dude. This just came out. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that little edit. I'm gonna try to get Tata driving by right now with a plane flying over his head, but I don't know if there's gonna be any planes. I hear one, I just heard one turn on, so hopefully you get a sick shot. If not, it's pretty much the end of the video. So alright guys, so I waited pretty much 15-20 minutes for a plane to go by, and then as soon as I get into Tata's car, the plane goes over, and yeah, I'm not waiting another 20 minutes, so we're gonna go back now. Later. Well guys, that concludes the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like. If you guys comment down below saying you like car stuff, I'll make more car stuff for you. It's pretty simple. More likes, more content. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.